What if I told you a humble Chevy compact became a street racing killer? This is the 1966 Chevy Nova SS, a car so brutally effective, GM banned its hottest engine after just 1 year. Strap in, we're uncovering why this underdog is still feared today. Born as the Chevy 2, this car was meant to fight the Ford Falcon. Not exactly thrilling, until Chevrolet dropped a bomb, the 327 V8. With options from 275 horsepower to the ferocious 350 horsepower L79. This lightweight coupe weighed just 3,040 pounds lighter than a modern Honda Civic. Motor Trend clocked the 275 horsepower automatic Nova at 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.6 seconds. Respectable for 66. But the L79? A Haram za Zotven, Loiro monster. Only 5,481 were made. Paired with a 4-speed manual, it turned grocery getters into GTO eaters. Here's the twist. GM killed the L79 Nova after 1966. Officially, it broke their 10 pounds per horsepower rule. Unofficially, it threatened the all-new Camaro. Imagine a cheap, lightweight rocket that embarrassed icons. That's why today, surviving L79 Novas are 100,000 plus collector gold. No fancy tech here, just a lightweight body, rear leaf springs, and pure violence. Owners like Todd Cherniak upgraded theirs to 640 horsepower, driving it to work on pump gas. Even stock, its 310 pound-foot torque made it a stoplight terror. Europeans admire this, GM's baby Riviera styling. Clean lines, a low 53.8-inch profile, and Marina Blue paint. Inside, bright chrome, bucket seats, and a floor shifter. But vinyl seats? They'd scorch you in summer sun. This car birthed a philosophy, maximum power, zero pretense. Modern builds like Gerald Goad's 1,400 horsepower twin-turbo Nova prove it's still a chassis for legends. But the original 66? It's the blueprint. A commuter by day, assassin by night. So next time you see a mild-mannered Nova, think twice. It might be hiding 350 horsepower of vintage rage. Smash that like button if you'd take one over a Mustang, and subscribe to Speed Scout for more street legends.